Hi 6th period civics and anyone else who's watching today. Today I would like to show you guys how to make a DIY face mask from the safety of your home. So what you're going to need for this project is a piece of fabric 12 by 9 inches across, a pair of scissors, wire cutters, one pipe cleaner, optional are some pins, it makes it a little bit easier, and 2 pieces of elastic, preferably 1/8 of an inch wide, and each one is going to be 7 inches long. The first thing you're going to do is take your 2 pieces of elastic, line them up with the corners to about the center of the 12-inch side of your piece of fabric. After you do that, you're going to want to gently fold so that the inside of the fabric is showing, and you want to make sure that your pieces of elastic stayed put and are as close as possible to the corners. Okay, so this step is completely optional, but if you do have pins, I would recommend using them to pin the corners of the elastic to the fabric. It makes it a lot easier when you get to the sewing process. I'm going to be using a sewing machine, but it is super easy to just do a simple running stitch instead. I'm going to be starting sewing on the fold and make a little L shape, as you will see. So what I just sewed was 2 L shapes, just like this, about 2.5 inches into my 9-inch side. What I'm going to do is inside out it all the way. You want to make sure that the space that you didn't sew is big enough that you can put your hand in it, so you can completely inside out all the corners like so. We're going to take our pipe cleaner and put it in the center of our folded side. This is what is going to be resting on your nose, so you want to make sure it's fairly centered so it'll be as comfortable as possible. After you've found the center, you're going to want to take your pins and just pin it right in place so it does not budge. Now we're going to make 3 pleats. They're going to be 1 inch on the front and about 1/2 inch on the back. I'm just ironing it to make sure it stays down, and then I'm going to pin it. Just repeat this 2 more times. All my pleats are done. I'm going to iron it one more time, and then we're going to go over to the sewing machine. Basically, all I'm going to be doing is sewing around the whole entire perimeter of my pleated mask. Alright, so I'm all done sewing. Just gonna put it on to show you the final product. And look how easy that was. You're good to go.